Today we're going to learn how to create a brochure using InDesign from Creative Cloud. First, open InDesign on your computer. In Windows, InDesign is automatically set to application frame by default. Change the units and increments, picas, that InDesign uses by default to inches following these steps. In Windows, go to Select and click on Edit and scroll down and select Preferences. When the Preferences dialog box opens and with units and increments selected, under Ruler Units, go to the vertical and horizontal rulers and change picas to inches. When you are done, click OK at the bottom right corner of the Preferences dialog box. To create a new document, go to Select and click on File at the top left corner of the InDesign interface. Select and click on New. In the dialog box, select and click on Document. When the new document dialog box opens, go to and select Preview to allow viewing your work in progress. Go to the number of pages and enter 2. This enables you to have a front and back page. On the right of the number of pages is the facing pages thumbnail. Click on the check mark to turn it off. Now set the orientation to landscape. After setting your orientation to landscape, go to the columns group thumbnail and enter 3. This will let you see where the folds on the brochure will be, which is the gutter. To adjust your margins, go to the Margins thumbnail and set your preferences. With the constrained proportions selected, all of your margins will be set at once. Enter your measurements into any margin thumbnail and hit Tab. To adjust each margin individually, deselect the constrained proportions icon and enter your measurements in each top, bottom, left, and right margin thumbnail. Click OK when you are done. Use the scroll bar on the right to scroll down and see your back page, which will be located on the first page in your workspace. How to place cover images and create graphics. Go to Select and click on File. From the drop-down dialog box, select and click on Place to find your Assets folder. Select Assets and click the image that will be used as the cover. Click Open. The screen will go back to the InDesign format that you chose for your brochure, and the graphic will be loaded in the area selected. If you have no selection, the graphic or picture will be loaded onto your cursor. Click in upper left corner and drag to the right bottom of the page to place your cover image. Next, we're going to learn how to type text. Select the Type tool from the Tools palette. Draw a text frame and begin typing. Okay. Next, go to Select. Okay. To import large amounts of information, go to Select and click on File. Scroll down and select Place. In your Assets file, select and click on the file, then click Open. Set your cursor, click and drag the text box and release. To save your document, go to Select and click on File. In the side drop box, select and click on Save. To print your document, go to Select and click on File from the drop-down dialog box. Select and click on Print. In the Print dialog box, select the printer you will use. In the Number of Copies bar, enter the number of copies. Click on Print at the bottom right corner of the Print dialog box to print your copy or copies. To send your document for printing, you're going to go to Select and click on File on the File menu, located at the top left corner of the interface. In the drop-down box, click on Export. When the Export dialog box opens, go to the Format title bar and change the format to Adobe PDF Print. Name the file and click on Save at the bottom right corner of the Export dialog box. In a PDF file, all your images and fonts will come across. Once you save the file in PDF form, the Export Adobe PDF dialog box will open. In the Export Adobe PDF dialog box, you can view or select the page range. You can also select View the PDF after exporting if you want and click Export. This allows you to review this brochure, email it, post it online, print, or share with friends. Thank you for learning how to create a brochure in InDesign Creative Cloud.